Welcome to another edition of Sleepytinis. These Sleepytinis have been a hit since we launched them, and people keep asking for more flavors, more options, more opportunities, and that's what we're going to bring you today. So right now we're going to do a blueberry lemon night refresher. Blueberries and lemon. All right, so what are we going to do with blueberries? We're going to start off putting them in cup here so that we can muddle them. We've got our knife. We're going to take our lemon, cut that, and you know I like to strain the seeds out before I put it in, so we'll go ahead and squeeze the lemon in and catch those seeds. All right, toss the seeds away. And we've got blueberry, we've got lemon, and I got to look at my own recipe here. We're going to put in some chamomile tea. And today we're going to add some melatonin. So I've got 3 milligrams of melatonin. A lot of people go out there and they buy this, 5 milligrams, 10 milligrams, and whatever melatonin, and they think that the more you have, the better off it's going to be. Actually, melatonin works in reverse. The more you use, the worse it's going to be for you that night, having to try to get some restful sleep. So really, the proper amount of melatonin is 0.1 milligram to 3 milligrams max. So we're going to go ahead and add that in here. We're going to take our muddling stick here, and we're going to muddle away. Blueberries tend to try to escape, so you really have to kind of catch them to get all that flavor out. Otherwise, you've got full blueberries that you're not taking advantage of. So I think I've got them all through here. Put that down. We need our shaker, of course. And here we'll add some ice. And to that, our mixture. On top, and shake it up. We need a martini glass, of course. Pour that in. Look at the color of that. It's beautiful. Let's give this a taste. Oh, wow. That lemon gives just a little bit of a hint of a zesty flavor. It gives a little punch. And the blueberry is actually pretty strong here. It's a nice blueberry flavor throughout. You don't really taste any of the melatonin. It's just a liquid form that we use, but it certainly gives you that thing that you need when you want to try and get some more melatonin into your system about an hour or so before bed. And that's all there is to it. So there's your blueberry lemon night refresher. I encourage you, give it a try. It's very, very simple, and happy dreams.